I am your favorite compliance nerd. Yes, I know it, and you know it too. And I want to talk to you about something super, super duper important. And that is, a lot of you are using sucky ass compliance consultants. Yes, I said it, I don't regret it, and I stick by it. Listen, you've got a lot going on in your business. There's a ton of regulation that's already come out in the last 10 years. It feels like it's coming out rapid fire now, and it's not stopping. And it doesn't matter which political party is in power either. This so-called neutrality of the SEC, we'll put an asterisk there to come back to in a different video. But the problem is regulation is gonna continue to come, and you have to be ready. It is not an excuse to say, I didn't know, Mr. SEC. I'm sorry, you didn't know? You didn't know that owning a business in this industry, you had certain requirements in running that business? That's not an excuse. But I know in real life, when you go home after you've told everyone everything's cool, everything's fine, you go home and you open that bottle of bourbon or that bottle of wine or that ice cold beer that's been chilling in your fridge and you're like, shit, what am I gonna do? My CCO quit. My compliance analyst quit. I hate being the CCO. I don't wanna be the CCO anymore. But I can't hire anyone because as soon as I make an offer, they get hired by someone else for more money. I don't have the resources to give them training. I sure as hell don't have an onboarding plan set up. Who the hell is gonna help me? That's when you go and you look at the consultants out there, and there's a whole lot of them. You've got your law firms that do it, you got your non-law firms that do it, you got your former SEC people, your former FINRA people, your former state securities people thinking like, I know my shit, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna help you. And then you know what happens? When you need something, they're on vacation, they're sick, God forbid they should be on maternity leave, right? They're not there for you. And then that company that you're shelling money out to, they don't give you someone to talk to in the meantime. And if they do, and they do it reasonably quickly, that person has no idea what you've been doing for the last 6 months or 12 months or 3 years that you've been working with the firm. Which means you basically have to regurgitate everything to them. And you hope they stay around at that firm long enough to actually implement something helpful or help you in some meaningful way. But what do you expect? What do you expect from a service that you pay less to than your monthly Starbucks budget? Yeah. Some of you spend more on date night than you do monthly on compliance. Compliance is that little thing that you guys call the business disruption department or the business prevention department that actually keeps the SEC out of your ass and out of your pocket. And you spend more on date night and Starbucks than you do on the people that are supposed to be helping you, keep you in business and keep you from paying fines. I'm sorry, did I hit a sore spot there? You're a goddamn professional. You're a goddamn business owner. You're a key executive. The fuck are you doing? Going and playing pretend compliance with a consultant who could give two shits about you and your business. That's why you gotta come to us. Come on in. We're rolling out some new services because we're tired of hearing you guys complain. That's right, I'm tired of it. You complain about your consultant, you complain about how hard it is to hire people. Honey, I do compliance and legal for you guys. My firm does compliance and legal for you guys. I gotta hire these people too. I get it. It is hard. You gotta give competitive salary, benefits, hybrid work, remote work, onboard, train, resources. I get it. It is hard. Which is why this year, We completely dropped our consulting services. We don't do consulting anymore. It's bullshit. It doesn't help you. We're not doing it. I don't care what any other company out there says. Consulting is bullshit. It's not happening. Not with us. No, you know what we're doing instead? We're giving you an outsourced compliance department. Yes, you heard me say it. Not a singular person that can go missing for a few weeks whenever they want and leave you hanging. No, you get a team of people. You get a compliance manager who can also be your chief compliance officer, and then at least two compliance analysts. So if someone is sick, someone's out on vacation, someone leaves, the work continues. You have a team of people who know the history, have been working on things, and they can seamlessly transition someone in. What that says is that the work continues, there's no disruption. And you know what else our outsourced compliance department service does? It gives you unlimited access. Yes, you can pick up the phone. Can you believe that? You can pick up the phone and call someone and get your question answered. It's insane. Like, who does that, really? You can also text, you can also email for those people who are like really nervous about talking to someone live in living color. We can do that too. But the point is, our service is meant to simulate an in-house department so that your advisors, your admins, your executives, your support staff, they all get access to the team for their questions. And as you grow, your compliance department grows too. You add more advisors, you grow by acquisition. You just dropped 50 new advisors into your firm because you bought, 5 different offices. Great. We'll just add a couple more analysts to your compliance department. So, if you're ready to cut the bullshit that is compliance consulting out of your life and get an outsourced compliance department doing your compliance, running your compliance program through a law firm, no less, that's subject to the ethics of the state bar, then go ahead, pick up the phone or email if that's not your thing, but give us a call, 770-462-2118, or email us, let's do this, at myralawyer.com.